Hello, my friend, and as per your request, all in our comments on Facebook page, Heba Site Data Analysis, here you are the network days, international functions that you want. All I want to know about it. So I got here a start date and end date, and I want to know how many days a network days without a weekend. Let us start here. The function equal network days. I get two functions in Excel, network days and networkdays.INTL or .international. And the best one is the INTL because it lets us specify the weekend that we need. Here we are, the start date. We're going to choose it, comma, end date, comma, and this is the fantastic options that you're going to use here. Where is your weekend days? Is it Sunday only, Monday only, or Sunday, Monday, and that's it? Just to choose the number that specify your weekend days, and if you got a holidays of this period of time, you are going to choose it. Let us try both of them. I will finish my functions here, and that's it. We have got a 20 network days between those 2 days. So otherwise, if we get a holiday on between, network days international, start date, comma, end date, comma, 7, and this is my holiday dates. If you got a 1 day, we are going to choose one cell. We're not going to write 1 or 2. I got a 1 day holiday. It's take this arguments take a date. So 19 days. If I got many days, not only those, specify this one equal network days international, start date, comma, end date, comma, this is my number, comma, and if I get those 3 days holiday, so I got to write them on the 3 cells and specify the range of the cells. And that's it. I hope you like it, enjoy it, and if you want any another function, please let me know. Thank you.